A volcano in Iceland after weeks of earthquakes. A volcanic eruption south of Iceland's capital, Reykjavik, sent plumes of smoke across a region known for its lava fields, volcanoes and geothermal activity. The Icelandic Meteorological Office, (IMO), said a minor eruption began Monday on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula, but no ash was emitted and no disturbances have been reported so far at the country's Keflavik Airport. The IMO says there is a 200-meter, 656-foot-long crack in the slope of Litli Hrútur volcano, from which lava emerged as a series of fountains. Scientists had warned of a possible eruption after hundreds of small quakes were detected in recent weeks. Photos showed lava flows flowing in along a dark field, with a small fire in the distance and thick smoke billowing in the air. Occurred in an uninhabited area. There was no immediate risk to the community or infrastructure, the IMO said, but it warned people not to venture near the area, saying there would be an accumulation of dangerous volcanic levels. Winds will carry some of this gas northward, potentially affecting several areas including the Icelandic capital, says the IMO. Peninsula Regional Destination Management Office also issued a warning about gas levels on Monday. In a statement, the office said the peninsula's police chief ordered the closure of all pathways to the volcano due to massive life-threatening gas pollution, after speaking to scientists. Authorities are working to restore access to the volcano once the pollution subsides, he added. A few days ago, the management office warned hikers in the region to exercise caution, noting that the recent seismic activity had looked similar to the run-up to another volcanic eruption last year. The larger eruptions have disrupted European air travel, but officials said this small one, in an uninhabited area that had until recently been dormant for centuries, posed no immediate risk. A minor volcanic eruption began on Monday afternoon in an uninhabited area of Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula, the country's weather official said. The eruption, which began at 1640 Coordinated Universal Time, was described as minor and posed no immediate risk to people or infrastructure, said the Icelandic Met Office. It is in a zone that lies between the volcanic mountains Fagradalsfjall and Keilir, roughly 20 miles from the country's coastal capital, Reykjavik, the office said. Called Litli Hrútur, officials said. Emissions of toxic gas and steam from the pass drifted to the northwest, according to officials.